Show me how you wiggle your ears. Oh, are you wiggling your ears? Wiggle those ears. Good job, Brayden.
I can move by myself when I do this still.
Are you wiggling your ears?
They're going so faster.
They are. Let me see it again.
See?
Good job, Brayden. Tell me how you're going to have a new brother or a new baby or a new sister.
Thank you.
Did you just yawn? Tell me about having a new baby.
No.
Are you going to have a new baby? Is there a baby in your tummy?
Let me see, Mom.